In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to recall an email in Microsoft Outlook quickly and efficiently in 2025. Whether you're working on a personal computer or at your workstation, mastering this simple skill can save you a lot of embarrassment or even unintended consequences. Imagine the moment after you hit send, you realize there's a mistake, maybe a wrong attachment or a typo, and you wish you could take it back. Well, Outlook comes to the rescue with its email recall feature. Let's dive in and see exactly how you can use it. Start by composing your email as you normally would. Once you've reviewed it and are ready, go ahead and send the email. Immediately after sending, your eyes should fall on the bottom left corner of your Outlook window. You'll see a brief message flash up that says, "Message sent." Right next to it, you'll notice an undo option that appears for a few seconds. This is your chance to recall the email you just sent. Click on the undo button within those few precious seconds available to you. By default, Outlook gives you about 5 seconds to make this important decision. If you find these few seconds to be insufficient, or you're someone who likes a little backup time, you can easily adjust the settings to give yourself more flexibility. Here's how. First, head up to the top right corner of your Outlook window where you'll find the settings icon. Give it a click. A menu will appear, and you'll want to select Mail, and then find your way to the Compose and Reply section. Scroll down until you stumble upon the Undo Send option. This is where the magic happens. You'll see a slider that allows you to increase the delay time anywhere between 0 to 10 seconds. By extending this time, you ensure you have a more generous window to undo your sent emails, which can come in handy if you're prone to second-guessing your communications. Once you've set your desired undo time, don't forget to click on the Save button to apply these changes. This simple adjustment can offer a sense of security, knowing you have a bit more time to pull back on those emails after they've been sent. This neat feature is essentially your safety net, giving you peace of mind and a buffer to work with in your fast-paced email environment. Adjusting the undo send delay can truly make your Outlook experience much more forgiving. And there you have it, a quick and simple way to recall an email on Microsoft Outlook. With practice,